What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't done a tutorial in a fat minute, so why not hop on and show you guys how to make a working citation book tool for your amazing roleplay game. So we're gonna start this off by inserting a tool right here. I'm just gonna rename this to citation book because why not, and I'm gonna insert a perfection weld script. These are usually found in the toolbox. So there you go, I have my perfection weld, and now I'm gonna add a part to this and then just rename it to handle. So you can, so the script knows where to grab it. Oh, it doesn't have it. Okay, I'll just manually paste it in then. There we go. So we have our perfection weld and our handle. These are the main parts for the whole thing. So we're just gonna anchor this real quick, and we're gonna test to make sure that our tool actually works, and then we'll continue on from there. Okay, so we have our tool. I really don't give a shit about the size right now because you could change this to whatever you want. But now we are going to make our citation GUI. So let's go ahead and insert a screen GUI into starter GUI. You're gonna insert a frame. Okay, there we go. So now that we have our customized GUI, we are going to go ahead and insert a script into the tool, telling it to, whenever we pull out our tool, this will pop up as well. So let's go ahead and then just put the GUI inside the tool, just like this. Insert a local script, and we're going to type in the following: tool equals script.parent function on equipped, and you gotta make this local, and then we'll write our function down here: local character. Did I spell that right? Yeah, I did. Local character equals script.parent.parent, local player equals game.players, and we're gonna do get player from character, and we're gonna do character, just like this. Now we do that, we're gonna do if player equals nil, then return end, meaning if there's no player, it just won't do nothing. GUI main equals script.parent screen GUI clone, like this, and then GUI main.parent equals player GUI. And gotta get these caps right, you guys. If you mess up the caps, this won't work. I'll leave a model in the description for you guys to use, so don't worry. Okay, and then our function on equip local, and we're gonna do GUI main remove, just like this, and then that's off there. And then we'll just write the functions that will be triggered: tool equipped connect on equip local. Hold on. There we go. On equip local, and then we'll do tool dot unequipped connect on unequipped local, just like this. And I gotta get these parentheses correct, or else this won't work, and the caps as well. So now that we have that, whenever I use my tool, the GUI should clone onto my player, and I should be able to see the GUI. I'm hoping this is, yeah, there you go. So you could put in the player name, And yeah, these aren't scripted yet, so we'll get there in a moment. So now that we have that scripted, we are going to go ahead and get a cache script. So we're going to create a regular script in server script service. If you guys have a money script preset for this, then I'll show you how to configure it to your own. So game.players.player added connect function, and we'll do player, and we're gonna do local stats equals instance dot new, and we're gonna do folder, and we're gonna connect it to the player like this. The name of the stats is going to be leader stats because that's the default one. We're gonna do local cache equals instance dot new, not proxy new dot new, and we're gonna do int value, and we're gonna connect this int value to the stats just like this, and then we're just gonna give it a name, and we're gonna name it money, and our starting value, let's make it 10,000 just like this. So now that we have our money script, we are going to be making a folder in replicated storage, and we're going to be naming this folder citation just like this. We're going to add a remote event, and we are going to rename this to add citation. And then the screen GUI down here, you're going to duplicate this and put it back into storage GUI. And now we're going to make a GUI that the player will receive when they are cited. So for this, I am just going to leave it as is, since it's basically what we need. I think they'll be able to type into it, but that won't really matter since all they're gonna have to do is accept. So we'll just leave it like this, I submit and everything, and we're just going to be renaming this to citation alert and placing it inside the citation folder just like that. So now that we have everything scripted, we are going to be making the main script which cites the player. So let's create a script inside our screen GUI that's located inside the citation book tool. And let's rename this to handler, just like this. And then we're gonna do game.replicated storage.citation.add citation on server event connect function, and we're gonna connect player recipient reason and the amount. So you guys will see what happens with these values in a moment. Then we're gonna do weights, and I'll do 0.5 so that way the script doesn't break. I'm trying to do it so fast. I'm gonna do game.players recipient .leader stats .cache .value equals game .players I accidentally did it in another line .recipient .leader stats .cache .value, and we're gonna do minus amount just like this. Then we are going to do local GUI equals game.replicated storage.citation citation alert. This is where our GUI comes into play, and then we're gonna do clone. So basically it will be cloned and then it will be parented to the player. GUI.parent equals game.players recipient .player GUI, and then we're gonna do GUI, and we need to get the frame name, so GUI dot citation GUI dot and we're gonna do amount. For player name, we're just gonna do officer name so they know who they have been cited by. We're gonna do GUI dot citation GUI dot officer name dot text equals player dot name, like this. We're gonna do GUI dot citation GUI dot amount dot text equals amount, and GUI dot citation GUI dot reason dot text equals reason, just like this. And then that's gonna be all for this script, I believe, since we're already calling the function. Yeah, it's gonna be it for this script. So now we are going to add a local script into our submit button located inside our tool. So right here where it says submit, you're going to create a local script, and you're gonna write the following piece of code: script.parent dot mouse button one click connect function, and then you're going to write local recipient or recipient. I don't know how you guys would say it. I just say recipient because it's the easiest. And we're gonna do equals script dot parent dot player name dot text local reason equals script dot parent dot reason dot text, and we're gonna do local amount equals script dot parent dot amount dot text, and then game dot replicated storage dot citation add citation fire server, and we're gonna fire this remote event with our recipient, with our reason, with our amount, just like this. And then we're just gonna do script.parent.parent.visible equals false, just like that. And I believe that should be all. So let's go ahead and test it and see if this works. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to load, and it's taking forever, of course. So here we are. I have 10,000 cash, or 10,000 money, and I have my citation book tool. So we have player name, we have the amount, and the reason. I'm gonna change these, so don't worry. So for player name, we're gonna put in our exact name. Can't be different than what it is on the actual player list, or else it won't work. So we're gonna do Swiss, and I'm gonna charge myself 5,000, and my reason is going to be running a red, because that's realistic, right? Then we click submit, and we get it, as you can see. So we have Swiss 5,000 running a red. So this is the officer who charged, this is how much, and this is the reason. As you can see, the submit button doesn't work because I haven't scripted that part of it yet. So let's go ahead and head into replicated storage, and then find where it says submits, and we're gonna add a local script in here, and we're gonna do the following: script.parent mouse button one click connect function, and we're just gonna do script.parent visible equals false, just like that. And then when we play, that should be all for the video, I hope, because I'm tired. I got a homework. I need to go ahead and get a haircut soon. So let's see, we have Swiss, and then we have our amount 5,000 test, and there you go. That's it. That's how easy it is to make your own citation system for all of those you watching. So I will be leaving a model in the description for you guys to use. And yeah, basically that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. If you guys want to buy amazing products such as these type of buildings, an ATM robbery system, your own CAD/MDT system, make sure to join my server, because I am selling a ton of cool stuff over here. Just look at this. It is beautiful. So I'm selling all of this in my server, link in description. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.